Hi everybody, today I want to show you this vacuum cleaner that I just got. It comes in this small box, all in pieces. You have to put it together, but it's really powerful. It is called the Keromee, and as you can see, these are all the parts that come in the box. You have not only the instructions, but you have the charger, the filter, the extra filters actually, because it comes with one filter already installed. You have the extension tubing, the extension for small areas, and for the floor. Now, again, it comes with the extra filter and the extra mesh for the bigger particles, and it's really easy to open. You just twist it and turn it. You take the filter out, and then you can just dump everything right here. And so you attach it back. So you have the attachments. It tells you which one is the one that you attach to the vacuum. Right there. And you have the extension right here. So you have the extension right here. It's long. You see right there. You can put it again for the small corners between the sofa cushions or the ceiling. This is great for the ceiling. And again, you can just attach one for the floor. I'm going to take it out so you can see. This one not only bends up, but it rotates to the sides. Again, it has a little bit of like a spring, so that especially if you're vacuuming walls or something like that, it's not just going to fall back. It actually has a spring, so you can pick up those spider webs or dust. The great thing about these filters is once it gets dirty and clogged, you can just take them out, rinse them through cold water, let them dry, and you can reuse them. So again, one of them gets dirty, one you're washing it and waiting for it to get dry, and you're using the other one in the meantime. Very cool, and it's not very noisy. I'm going to turn it on. Right here, I have it right in front of my face, and really nice. Again, you're not going to vacuum the whole house. So it has the slow speed, faster, and that's it. And as you can hear, it's not very loud, and it's perfect for small crevices, ceiling, the fans when they get dust or spider webs. You can just, it's very light. You can use it to reach out to higher spaces. And I'm going to add some video of that. And very convenient, very light, very efficient. I hope you guys like it as much as I do.